guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my April Ipsy bag, and it came in this adorable lemon bag. So it's such a cute and fun print for spring. And it's kind of a vinyl texture, so these are really neat to have, and Ipsy is only $10 a month. And I also got this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer, and they sent it to me in light fair. And on the Ipsy website you kind of get to personalize your hair color, your eye color, your skin type, and your makeup preferences. Sorry if you hear my little chihuahua, he's under the table. Okay, and then I also got this, it's a lip stain by Bonjour. Sorry, can't make it focus. I don't know why it's not wanting to focus, but anyways, so my daughter will swatch the color in just a second and show you. And then I got this Answer From Luminous Collagen Eye Cream. Got eyeliner. It says Sugar, Coal of Honor, in the color Blackout. And then we got this real pretty eyeshadow. It's Nomad brand. Sorry, I made it twirl around. I'm trying to show you. It's a pretty green. It's a light green. So give me just a second and she'll swatch these on her arm and we'll show you the actual colors. The first swatch is the Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner, and it is in Blackout. Okay, and then the second one is the Balm brand lip stain, and it's a real pretty color, and I don't know how to say the name. It starts with a K. Canatria? I don't know. Anyways, I'm horrible with pronouncing names, so I'm sorry if I screwed that one up. And then this light colored one is the Nomad eyeshadow, and it's more like a highlighter. It's really pretty, but when you swatch it, it doesn't have a whole lot of color to it, and it's got another hard name for me to say, so I'm not going to try to butcher that name too. But anyways, this is the April Ipsy Glambag, and it's only $10 a month, and it comes with 5 products, and it also comes with a cute bag each month too. So we will be sharing more shop with me videos and making some wreaths soon, and also just a giveaway coming up too. We're almost to 10,000 subscribers, so real soon we'll be telling more details about our giveaway. So thank you guys for watching.